Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In my previous videos, we have discussed about relative frequency definition of the probability and classical definition of the probability. So now here in this video, we are going to discuss about axiomatic definition of probability. The probability is a non-negative number that is assigned to each event of a sample space, capital S, each event of a sample space of a random experiment. The probability of the event capital E can be denoted by or represented by probability of the E. The assigned probabilities are chosen as to satisfy. There are three important axiomatic conditions. So that are, first axiomatic condition is for any event capital A in the sample space. So that is 0 less than or is equal to probability of E less than or equal to 1, or probability of E is always greater than or equal to 0, non-negative real number. And second axiomatic condition is when the sample space capital S is the sample space of an experiment, that is the set of all possible outcomes P of S is equal to 1. And third axiomatic condition is if events E1 and E2 are any two events, the two events are mutually exclusive events in the sample space capital S, then probability of E1 union E2 is equal to sum of individual probability of the event. That is probability of E1 plus probability of E2. So these three are the axiomatic conditions. So next, clearly I will explain each condition, each axiomatic condition I will explain clearly. And first axiomatic condition. And what is the first axiomatic condition? 0 less than or equal to probability of E less than or equal to 1 for each event in the sample space. Okay. The first axiom of axiomatic probability states that the probability of any event must lie between 0 and 1. And what is the 0? Here 0 represents the event will never happen and 1 represents the event will definitely happen. Okay, the probability states that the probability of any event must lie between 0 and 1, and that 0 indicates event will never happen and the 1 represents event will definitely happen. The probability of any event cannot be negative. The smallest value for the probability of any event is 0, and if probability of A is equal to 0, then event A will never happen. So this is the clear explanation of the first axiomatic condition. And second axiomatic condition. And what is the second axiomatic condition? Probability of the sample space, that is probability of S is equal to 1. The second axiom of the axiomatic probability of the whole sample space is equal to 1. This is because the sample space capital S consists of all possible outcome of our random experiment, or if the experiment is performed anytime something happens, so the outcome of each trial always belongs to the sample space of the experiment. So therefore, the event capital S is always occurs and probability of S is equal to 1 always. So this is the clear explanation of the second axiomatic probability condition. Next, third axiomatic condition is the third axiom of the probability is the most interesting condition. The basic idea of this axiom is that if some of the events are disjoint events, then the probability of the union of two events must be equal to the summation of their probabilities. So that is, let us take an experiment. Let us take an example. If capital A1 and capital A2 or capital E1 and capital E2 are two mutually exclusive events or outcomes, then probability of A1 union A2 is equal probability of A1 plus probability of A2. So this is the third axiomatic probability condition. So these are the Axiomatic definition of probability.